Hi everyone. We often overlook how long hours in front of a computer screen can strain our eyes. However, making a few simple adjustments in Windows can improve eye comfort and protect your vision. Here are 8 practical steps to make Windows easier on your eyes. First, customize the size and color of your mouse cursor. The mouse cursor is something your eyes follow constantly while navigating your screen. If it's too small, faint, or blends into the background, it can cause unnecessary strain. To make the cursor more eye-friendly, you can adjust its size and color. Open the Settings app and navigate to the Accessibility section. From there, select the Mouse Pointer and Touch option. You can increase the cursor size using a slider and choose a color that contrasts well with your screen. Avoid using extremely large or overly stylized cursors, as they may distract you from your tasks. Second, adjust the text size, and fonts small or poorly chosen fonts can lead to squinting and eye fatigue, especially if you're reading for long periods. Adjusting the text size and font on your system can make everything more comfortable to view. Open the Settings app, go to Accessibility, and find the text size option. Move the slider to increase the size of text displayed on your system. To change fonts, go to the Personalization section and select Fonts. Choose simple, readable fonts like Arial or Calibri for improved clarity. Ensure that the text is not excessively large, as it could reduce readability across multiple elements on your screen. Third, toggle between dark and light modes. The lighting in your workspace plays a significant role in how your eyes feel while using a computer. Using a light mode in a dimly lit room or a dark mode in a brightly lit space can strain your eyes unnecessarily. To switch between modes, open the Settings app and navigate to the Personalization section. From there, choose the Colors option to toggle between light, dark, or custom modes based on your lighting environment. For greater convenience, you can schedule automatic mode switching based on the time of day to match changing lighting conditions. Fourth, modify your screen scaling settings. Windows automatically scales your display to match your screen resolution, but the default settings might not suit your preferences. If on-screen elements like text or icons are too small, adjusting the scaling can make them easier to read without squinting. Open the Settings app, go to the System section, and select Display. Here you can adjust the screen scaling percentage to find a setting that provides maximum comfort. This adjustment ensures that everything on your screen is appropriately sized for better visibility. Fifth, activate the night light feature. The blue light emitted by computer screens can feel harsh, especially during nighttime use. Although its effects are often debated, reducing blue light levels can certainly make your screen appear gentler on your eyes in low light conditions. To enable this feature, open the Settings app, navigate to the System section, and select Display. Activate the night light option and customize its intensity to your liking. You can also schedule it to turn on automatically during evening hours. While the warm tint may take some getting used to, it helps reduce eye strain and makes your screen more comfortable to view. Sixth, use color filters for better visibility. Color filters are a helpful feature for users with specific visual impairments or color blindness. Even if you don't have such conditions, experimenting with these filters can improve your overall experience. To enable them, go to the Accessibility section in the Settings app and select Color Filters. Toggle the feature on and explore different filters such as red-green, blue-yellow, grayscale, or inverted colors. Select the filter that feels easiest on your eyes, particularly if you have trouble distinguishing certain colors on your screen. Seventh, set up a screen magnifier. When working with detailed visuals or small text, straining to focus on tiny on-screen elements can tire your eyes. The built-in magnifier tool in Windows allows you to zoom in on specific areas for better visibility. Open the Settings app, navigate to Accessibility, and choose the magnifier option. Turn it on and adjust the zoom level to suit your needs. The magnifier tool also includes different modes, such as full screen, docked, or lens, for customized usability. You can access it quickly using keyboard shortcuts like Windows++ to zoom in or Windows+- to zoom out. Eighth, enable high contrast themes. For those with low vision, color blindness, or sensitivity to bright screens, high contrast themes can be a game changer. These themes enhance the contrast between text, backgrounds, and interface elements, making everything easier to see and reducing strain. To activate a high contrast theme, open the Settings app. Go to Accessibility and select Contrast Themes. Choose a theme that feels most comfortable and click Apply. You can also quickly toggle the theme on or off using the Left Alt plus Left Shift plus Print Screen shortcut. Making these small changes in Windows can significantly improve your eye comfort, reduce strain, and enhance your focus during long hours of use. Implement these tips today and give your eyes the relief they deserve.